Good morning. I wish you a very happy new year to you and your family. This year brings a lot of happiness and success in your life. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good morning. So we will begin with the gold. So we will discuss top 10 stocks of Nifty according to the weightages and gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, USD, INR, and many stocks. What they can behave for the next week. Okay. So we'll begin with the gold. So as earlier discussed, this was the band which earlier it was trading. It is a daily chart. I'm removing all these. At least the view will be clear. From this top, I'm just connecting these two. And from the downside, this or this. Okay, it is blowing in a slower form. So it may go one more up. It is a daily. So we'll go on hourly chart and what might be the possibility for the next week. Okay. Here is a very basic thing we need to do is a trend line. So the gold, it may go one up before it can go any further down. So it may take some time or some consolidation here, and we'll go for one more up for the level of 1850 or something. So in case of gold, I would suggest like stay in a buy mode, not to sell. Silver, silver it is same as earlier discussed. Like it may go to the 80% or 61%. So it is now I'm removing everything. So it will be clear like here something has started and here something has ended. It may be B here or B here. And if I'm considering from the top, it may go to the 61% or 50%. So now it is at 50%. So it may go one more up before it can go any further down or further up to the 80%. Okay. So in case of silver, until and unless it crosses the level of 22, you need to stay in a buy mode. So stay in a buy, not to sell. Crude oil, as earlier discussed, like 78 might be possible because this was like a simple A, B, C kind of a structure. You can see clearly A, B, and C. 78 was the target, but here it's a 77 and the 39 was a high, and still it is going on. So it may go to the level of 80% or visually it is above 61%. So I'm just adding the Fibonacci here because this structure was very obvious. This was like a simple A, B, and C kind of a structure, right? Until and unless it crosses the level of 0B trend line. So this is 0B trend line. So if the persons are looking like a very new to this channel, so you may see these words are new to you. So you can follow other videos. You will be coming to know what is the 0B trend line and what is the AB, ABC kind of a patterns. So here it may go one up or it may go up to the level of 80% because this structure was looking like a AB and now it may make a triangle or a flat pattern. So for that, it needs to go for 80 and 85, or it may reverse from the this point or even this point. It can go, then the pattern will be a little different. But until unless it crosses the level of 0B trend line, this is a A and this is a B and this is a 0. Until and unless it crosses the 0B trend line, we won't be looking any sell pattern in case of crude oil. USD INR. Oh. So earlier we said this, like if it consolidates, it will go up, or else it may come down to the level of a trend line, right? That was the thing we discussed earlier. So I'm just going to the daily chart so that it will give a clear picture of what it might be doing in a market. it may take a support here, can go one up and one more down. That can be possible to make a simple structure of ABC kind again. It may consolidate in between these two areas. Okay, because if I see this pattern, this is a ABC, and after that it may go for ABC again for the downside. So now after that it may go upside, but as of now it may do a consolidation to the 75 and 74 once again, then to the downside. So here we may look buy above the 74 USD if it is going then, okay, or else it may go down to the level of 73 and 72 for the next week. Bitcoin USD, yeah, as discussed earlier, like the similar pattern it was making in the case of silver. If you remember, this like ABC, you can see here ABC in the earlier chart was a sharper. If you compare this as a this as a B, C is like a faster, right? But here it is slower form. But internally, if you see the C wave, the three waves has it made a three waves, that is A, B, C, D, E, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that is the thing. So here it is the ABC pattern. So it is a A0, it's a A, B, and C. So from the top, whether it is obstructing anyway, may possible, and one more down. So here in case of Bitcoin USD, it's an hourly chart. So we may see one down or like consolidation. So that will be again like a B, C kind of a structure, a smaller A, B, and C. And after that, we may see one more upside. So it is a slower form, but overall, if I see this angle, this is a sharper downside. Hopefully, like if it is not going much, we may see 53 one more down, similar to this, and after that we may see one more up. So this is a possible trend for the Bitcoin. If you see in a daily chart also, that is obvious, that is there, because here it may make these kind of a structure. Means it can come to the down and go upside, or it may go from here to making this as a new A, B, C if it is not breaking this visualizing or this imaginary trend line or a channel. Okay. So in the next week, in case of Bitcoin, you need to stay in a little bit lower form, or maybe to the level of 42 and 44. There one can look for the buy for 52. Then if it is going up, then stay in a buy, or else we may think to go one down, and then we will look into the buy structure. Okay, Nifty. Daily I'm going first. So as earlier we discussed, like this leg is E. So the early videos, and something F is happening here, like a D. Something X has started here or here. EF, and one more upside may possible in case of Nifty in daily structure. Okay, but hourly is doing, we will see in this. Remove everything. Okay. Here in the smaller time frame, if I see this angle and this angle, maybe the time it is almost took is 75%. Yeah, almost like a 95% of the time has already got over. And the price, if you see, it is near 80% was a low, and now it is at maybe somewhere around 60% or something. So here the trend is clearly it may go one up before it can go any further down, like this. There is no confirmation yet, but if I see the internal waves of Nifty correction, this is ABC again, like this is ABC, and this is ABC, and this is ABC, all two-way structure. So possible structure here is diametric pattern. So if I am considering that as a diametric pattern, then this is A, B, C, D, and E. It is a triangle pattern if it is go upside, or else what will happen if it go down one more time, that will be like a G, and we will be seeing one more up. before it can go any further down. So this leg will be for the G. Or if it is going up from this angle only, then this will be the ABCE triangle correction. Then it will be going one up before it can go any further down. So at least it will go to the 80% of the previous trend. So I'm just visually I'm considering here it may go to the level of 18,100 and 18,200. So that will be the possible target in case of Nifty for the next week, keeping the 17,100 or 17,135 as a stop loss. So we can, like, if it is going upside, that's good. If it is consolidating, that is a double in the market. So we can look for 18,100 and 18,200. If it further goes, we will be looking in the 19,100 and 19,200 in case of Nifty for the next week and two. In case of Bank Nifty, we discussed this earlier, like this is the ABC kind of a structure, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So I'm just removing everything so that it will be clear. So the new trend line. So if it is going upside, that's fine, because something has ended here, we can consider, because the time lead has broken up. And if it is going above the 35,757 or 759, so we will be seeing one more up. And for you, like if I say this, it is a long ABC kind of a thing. Most of the time, these kind of a pattern. So we discussed earlier this, like one long leg. For example, let's say this is a correction, or a long leg and a shorter one. If it breaks this level, this will be the buy for at least 80% of the total fall. Okay, and the same thing if it is doing this 80% of the previous trend. So 80% of the previous trend will be from this point to this point will be for 36,855. Okay, that may possible if it going above 35,915, then look for the buy for 80% or even to the 100% in case of Bank Nifty. So look for buy, not for sell, until unless it crosses the level of 34,799. Okay. And individual stocks now, HDFC structurally hasn't changed much. So it may go upside to the level of 2657 and then one more down, because this is a ABC structure or ABCDE structure. Then we will be looking how it goes. But as of now, you can look for the small buy, then sell. HDFC Bank. From here we were thinking, but it is consolidating now. Again, it will be the similar structure, going upside and down. So smaller buy, then sell can be possible in case of HDFC. HUL, as earlier said, like here, if it is going upside, then buy, or else we will be seeing a downside. So stay in a sell. So now it is given some hint for the buy. Here you can see a clear ABC kind of a structure again. Okay, and it has broken these all lines. So possibly if it is consolidating, that's a good sign. So we'll be going for the buy at least for this point. Firstly, that is 2447. And if it goes further, we'll be seeing next point will be 2622. So look for the buy in case of HUL, not to sell until unless it crosses the level of 2217. So look for buy, not for sell in case of HUL. ICICI Bank structurally hasn't changed much. ABC, we said like here it is going a slower form or faster. Now, if I compare only this point, right, this is a slower form, so it will be going to go upside, then down, then up, then down. It will be in a like consolidation zone. So now you can look for the smaller buy for 778 or 777. Then we may see one down before it can go any further up or further down. Infosys, we said look for the buy setup. We discussed this structure earlier. So you can see the diamond structure. If it breaks above, we'll be seeing the similar target of this, or if it breaks the downside, similar target to the downside, right? Here, what happened? You see the beautiful diamond pattern. It broke upside, and now we'll be seeing at least two patterns. One is this much will be our next target, From here, the up a longer time frame, if I take, this will be the possible target. So look for the buy for at least 2050 or 2040. 2020 was earlier, maybe. Yeah, 2020 was the first and 2040 was the second target. So look for the buy, not a sell in case of Infosys. ITC, it's a buy because we said here, whenever it crosses the downside and go inside the structure, that is a good sign. Here you may see one buy before it can go any further down. So it may go down and then up, but look for the buy. Kotak Mahindra is at 80%. It may go to the 100% and then reverse. So earlier target was 80%. Now it is at exactly 80% until unless it crosses the level of this, and that too in a two-stage confirmation. We won't be looking for the buy. So we may see one down before it can go any further up. Look for the sell in case of Kotak. L&T is at A, B structure which is presently going on. It may go up a little bit because if I see this, it may take some time, but possibly it may make a flat pattern or a triangle pattern. So if it is going towards 1960 or 1970, from that it may go one down before it can go any further up. So this pattern will be like a triangle or a flat. So for the short term, you can look for the buy, but after that you will be seeing one down before it can go any further up. Reliance, a similar structure that have the maybe Nifty or something, right? Yeah. So if I see this whole pattern, like this is AB, earlier we were looking at this, but it did not cross the trend line or to the previous one. After that, it will be like a slower correction to this. Now it is going a slower form. It may go one down and then up. This whole thing will be in the correction form. Now, if it is crossing above the 2418, look for the buy for 2600. Or if it is going below the level of 2345, then we may see one down compared to this, and after that we may see upside. TCS, as earlier said, a simple ABC kind of a structure. It is going upside. So if it is a two-way structure, it's 61% or 80%. So then adding the Fibonacci here, it is at exactly 61%. Now it may go to the 80%. Until and unless it crosses the trend line of this, you won't be looking any sell. Okay, it may go to the level of 3818 or 3820 before it can go any further down or further up. And Bajaj Finance, similar. Structurally, it is doing the similar thing. It's now ABC. So look for buy for at least 72.89 or something. So look for the buy, and further it will go because after this is a longer buy structure. Means after this buy, there is a long consolidation. We may see one buy before it can go any further down. So here, in case of Bajaj Finance, look for buy, not for sell. This is for the next week. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe and share among your family members and friends, and follow the rules of trading, like keeping the stop losses and managing your money properly. And if you find any doubts or something, you can give the message or you can ask in the group. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.